Okay. One of our audience members had a question here. It's regarding the makeup product that's printing 1 million per month. At these volumes, wouldn't traditional manufacturing be more cost effective than additive? Why would they use additive for something like this, especially since there's no customization involved?
Yes, that's a very good question. I think that when you look into additive, there are multiple values that additive can deliver. One of them is clearly, when this is why it is being used mainly for prototypes and so on, is because the speed of production. But there are two more major elements. One is customization, as is also mentioned here. And the other one is higher performance. And higher performance does not necessarily have to be with more customizable. We have examples in the automotive industry and in the aerospace industry where parts are being produced with additive because they are lighter weight. Parts are being produced with additive because they can allow things like conformal cooling. If you look even in the example that I have with the air tunnel for air condition, in these trains, it's not so much about the customization, it's not so much about even the cost of the part, but it's really about the ability to design parts that can funnel this air in a much more effective way. So this is really about the performance of the part. And this is a very, very important value that additive manufacturing can deliver. Specifically for this example of the mascara brushes, the reason that they do it is because it provides much better application of the moisture, and not so much because it's cheaper and not because it can be customizable. By the way, what I heard that now they're also looking into some customizational options. Okay, but this is more far to the future. The main reason, again, is because of better performance of these parts that are being produced with additive. This is definitely not true to any part by itself. I think that another major value that additive does provide, and we see it with many examples, is that you can replace production processes that today require assemblies, multiple parts that need to be assembled, into one single part that can merge all these parts together. And therefore, this simplifies the overall manufacturing process. It simplifies the overall maintainability of these parts.